Look at this, guys. In my opinion, everyone is using Kimi incorrectly. The actual way to use Kimi is inside Kimi CLI, which is the very, very cheap version of Claude Code that you can use today, released by Kimi. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Let's jump into things. So a lot of people talk crap about Kimi because it's slow, but if you actually look at this system here inside Kimi Code, and this is using my subscription, right? So this is using a $19 a month subscription, which you can get today from their website, and it's extremely fast, right? 42, 43 tokens per second, which, it's not quite up there with the extremely fast models, but it is still very, very fast. So this is my subscription here. You can see I am on the Moderato subscription, and it is $19 a month. And so far, I've used 1.56% of this subscription. So this is from the start of this project that I'm going to show you everything of. This is just the school community prompt that creates basically a service-based website, but I just want to show you the difference between this and, kind of the other cheap models on the market. Now let's just jump on over to OpenRouter just to look at the pricing of Kimi K. So Kimi 2.6 is 0.75 million input tokens, $3.50 million output tokens. Not actually sure how this compares to everyone, but for example, compared to Sonnet or Opus, it's extremely cheap, right? Which is always good. It's kind of, I think it's like Gemini 3 Flash pricing. Let's just have a look. Yeah, it's about Gemini 3. It's slightly more expensive than Gemini 3 Flash Preview, which in my opinion is an extremely good model. So this is kind of what I would be comparing it to. If you do this build inside Anti-Gravity, which is free, with Gemini 3 Flash, it does do a pretty damn good job, I have to say. Now let's compare this to GLM 5.1, which is what kind of a lot of people would compare it to. So it's actually going to work out potentially slightly cheaper because normally you use more input tokens than output tokens. So again, very, very interesting here. I probably will do some more tests on all of the latest models. This is my test of Kimi 2.6, but I will also do a test of GLM 5.1 and a few others as well. Let's see what Minimax is saying. I have to say, I'm not a fan of Minimax, to be honest. That's very, very cheap though. Minimax is 0.30 per million input tokens and $1.20 per million output tokens. Now, do Minimax have a CLI? They do have a CLI. So I haven't actually looked into this. For token plan users, no coding is required to unlock Minimax in video generation. Okay, so you can do video generation, speech synthesis, music creation, coding, and more. You can call these capabilities directly in assistants like OpenClaw and Claude Code. That's pretty crazy. So yeah, this video that I'm doing right now is about Kimi 2.6, but I do look at all models and I do kind of test all models. So I'd be curious to see how good the Minimax CLI is as well. This is probably the next test that I will do. It's pretty interesting. You can do speech synthesis, image generation, video generation, music generation, web search, image understanding. So that's definitely a plus. It'd be pretty cool to see if you could like generate an entire website with like a hero video, but that's definitely for a video that's coming in the future. Okay, just before we see the result of the video and just before we continue with the video, huge shout out from our sponsor, me. This is harborseo.ai, which you can find a link in the description and in the pinned comment. This is basically the tool that I've been putting the most effort into over the last few years. It is an SEO tool, a GEO tool. It will help you rank in LLMs and inside Google. And if I just go and show you what it actually looks like, if I go to dashboard here and I go to the top and go to billing and plan, you can see that we currently have in total 377 published pages, 172,000 impressions from those pages, which is kind of absurd. And then almost 1.7K clicks as well. Now you can go and get founder pricing. You can go and get this pricing here. I am putting the pricing up soon when I release my website builder because I need to, basically, because the API costs are so high. So if you want to lock in this pricing, go and get a free trial right now and lock in this pricing, and I will never raise the price on you, okay? You can go and get a free trial right now, go and try it out. We just released Copilot, which basically allows you to generate all of this content from like a messy CSV. So this is just a copied and pasted CSV, and it basically just made all this content for me, right, from this CSV. We've got the dashboard, the main dashboard, where you can run site health scans. You can fix it with AI automatically, which will automatically, do all the metadata for your website. We have the Discover tab, where you basically find keywords, and then you can write the keywords or build the pages. And then we have the main thing, which is the Writer, which has this content generator, landing page generator, rewriter, which rewrites your current articles. And we have this new one, which is called the Freeform, which basically allows you to use your prompts to write the content your way that still uses our scraping techniques. So this is Harbor, guys. Go and check it out in the description. You will not find a better tool for the price. If you looked for 1,000 years, I promise you, this is the best tool on the market for the price. Thanks for the attention. Let's jump back into the video. Okay, so my plan is to kind of make like a running tally of all of these models, right? So we'll start with Kimi 2.6 today. This is by MoonShot AI, and I will just quickly say this is probably my favorite Chinese model at the moment. I don't know what they're doing over there at Kimi, but they're definitely cooking something, right? And then we'll do a test of GLM 5.1 probably tomorrow. This is by Z.ai. They did actually sponsor the channel, so I owe them a video, even though I've already made loads of videos about them. So yeah. And then let's do Minimax, I think it's 2.7, which is, I think the company's called Minimax, but don't quote me on that. This is my least favorite at the moment, but like, I'm not going to let that bias anything. If this performs better than this, then I'll move it up in the rankings, right? If you want to see any other models, just leave a comment and say, Hamish, can you also cover this model? And I will look into it. I'll probably compare it to like a baseline of like, I would say Gemini 3 Flash, probably. Oh yeah, I'll do another test with Deepseek as well. I actually really like Deepseek V4. I think it's kind of groundbreaking, and I wouldn't be surprised if it dragged the rest of these models up with it. Not Gemini 3 Flash, obviously. There are some other interesting models. There's Gemma 27 or 31B, which I'll probably do some tests on as well. There's Qwen, I think it's 27, so 3.6 27B. I can't remember if it's 27 or 31, which I'll also do this test on. Let's see what else there is. I think most people are waiting for the next generation of these models. I think people are quite excited about the next generation of these models. As I kind of alluded to already, in my opinion, Kimi 2.6 by Moonshot is kind of the best of the best, and they're definitely cooking something over there. And I would say the next Kimi model is going to start to actually, not compete with Opus. I won't say compete with Opus. It's a bit of a meme at this point, but like it's getting there. Okay, guys, so kind of this is what I'm talking about. Not only is the quality of this extremely good, like the design, like I really, really like the design here. It looks very similar to another design that I got from this exact prompt, actually. But, we don't just look at design here on Income Stream Surfers. We look a little bit beyond just the design into the technical build. So if I click Italian here, you can see it changes to Italian. There's a slight error there. Just so we all know, it's not actually finished yet. This is more like a preview, but like I can already tell that the quality is amazing here, right? Let's just see if I click EN. It changes properly. Let's just see here. So we've got, let's see if we click here. Okay. Rolls-Royce luxury car hire Campania or Campania, whatever. Doesn't matter the pronunciation. Ariano Irpino. Beautiful. Look at that. Really, really good quality. Let's see what happens if I press book now. Amazing technical build. It's pretty much perfect. Okay, so there's a client-side error there. That's likely due to the fact that it hasn't actually finished. I don't normally do this until it's actually finished, but like it's very, very close to being finished. Like I'm not really missing out on much by just waiting an extra like 15, 20 minutes for it to fully finish. And one of the main things is if I click all of these in the footer, does it work? It seems like it is working, right? You can switch to Italian. You can press book now. Contattaci. You can press Campania. I mean, this is literally a perfect technical build from Kimi K, right? This is, really, really impressive stuff, right? So as a baseline for Kimi, I think what we're going to do is I can't give it a 10 out of 10 because if you start with 10 out of 10, you've got nowhere to go. I would like the design to be a bit better. If you did this with Opus 4.7, the design would be better. It would also be a little bit more detailed. I would say it's lacking a little bit of detail. So we've got 1 block, 2 blocks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The prompt actually says 5 to 7 horizontal blocks. So, I mean, honestly, I would give this a 10 out of 10, but I don't want to start on a 10 out of 10. And what I mean by 10 out of 10 is like 10 out of 10 on my own scale, right? If you're wondering what's causing those issues, it's basically it's still coding in the background there, so that's actually what's happening. I will let this end, right? I will let this finish just in case it decides to, I don't know, do something crazy at the very end. But just generally speaking, this is an incredible build. Very, very happy with the result, and I'll give this an 8 out of 10, just so that we have a good base level, right? And we'll say that Opus 4.7 with Claude Code is a 10 out of 10, right? So this is my scale. You can say whatever you want about it. But yeah, basically my next few videos, guys, are going to be about this topic. So be on the lookout for upcoming videos if you enjoyed this one. That only took about 15 to 20 minutes as well, so the speed is pretty good. People that are saying the speed is bad, they're probably not using Kimi's own API. You have to actually use their API before you make a comment, in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, overall, very, very impressive build. I'll make sure that nothing else big happens before I end this video. But with all that being said, guys, if there is nothing else after this, then it's finished. And I'm very, very impressed. 8 out of 10 for sure. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. And I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Probably with the GLM 5.1 video tomorrow. Which you can get. I'll leave a link at the end of this video. So if you do want to watch the rest of the series, go and check out that video. Thanks for watching, guys. Go and check out Harbour to support me. And as usual, peace out.